Welcome to Manifattura di Venezia showroom. I'm Valentina, in charge of business development for this Venetian brand, and I will guide you through the discovery of some of our most significant collections. Manifattura di Venezia presents the collection Happy Hour Finger Food, consisting of bowls, single-portion skewer holders, made in intensified porcelain, suitable for use in the oven, and with elements in stainless steel. With a wide choice of items and great aesthetic impact, extreme practicality and versatility, thanks to the development in collaboration with the JRE, Jeune Restaurateur d'Europe, or Young Restaurateur of Europe, the porcelain containers, available in white and anthracite black, are ideal for buffet and banquets, for serving on trays, for dinners, events, aperitifs, canapés appetizers, for bars, pastry shops, and elegant dinner at home. There are a total of 18 items in porcelain and stainless steel. This collection has a refined and exclusive design and includes 4 different types of stainless steel skewer holders: the short skewer, the tall skewer, the trident-shaped skewer, and a spiral cone. Modular and practical for dishwashing, they are interchangeable on the same porcelain base. Thanks to their round-footed base, with the same measurements for all the items, they are perfectly modular in 3 tray sizes for 4, 12, or 15 pieces, according to your requirements and type of event. The large model containing 15 pieces is Gastronome 101, which can be stored in professional rack trolleys. You can create your ideal composition for an original and exclusive service, playing with the design and choosing the accessories in the way that best suits your needs. The variety of colors will give you the opportunity to create contrasting setups and tantalizing food combinations. In the hotels and restaurants sector, they represent a functional choice, yet elegant and refined at the same time, with respect of the environment. Compared to the more commonly used plastic disposable containers, all the items in our finger food collection are washable and reusable, avoiding unnecessary waste.